Hi mommies, this is Tanya, Noor's mom. So today I'm going to be telling you all about constipation. So before I talk about constipation in babies, I was first want to clarify what is normal for babies. So just like I told you in my previous video on loose motion or diarrhea in babies, I will tell you what does normal poop for breastfed and formula fed babies look like. So for babies less than 2 months of age, breastfed babies can poop more than 6 times a day or even every time they feed. For formula fed babies, it can be around 3 to 4 times a day. After 2 months, breastfed babies may be pooping once a day or might even go without pooping for around 7 to 8 days. And for formula fed babies, they might poop once a day, twice a day, or might go without pooping for 3 or 4 days. So once now we have set the stage and clarified what is normal, now let us move to what are the signs of constipation in babies. So the number one sign is if your baby is not following his or her usual pooping pattern. So if your baby usually doesn't poop for 7 days and it goes in up till 10 days, now that is a sign of constipation, right? So your baby is not following the normal pooping pattern. Second, your baby's poop is kind of very hard and pellet like. It is not soft and easily passed. Third, your baby is crying or is fussy while doing potty. Then your baby's stomach is really hard. Next is that if your baby is above 6 months, your baby is not wanting to eat. His appetite is low. And even if he's less than 6 months, he doesn't want to drink milk. Right? And lastly, there is blood in your baby's poop. There's one more thing that your baby is also putting a lot of pressure while pooping. Like he wants to poop, but he's not able to. And he's crying and is fussing around. So all of these are the signs of constipation. Now what to do about them? So now for babies less than 6 months of age, if they're breastfeeding, then moms should continue to breastfeed because breast milk is known to be a natural laxative, right? So it will help in loosening your baby's stools. Now for formula fed babies less than 6 months of age, sometimes babies don't get accustomed to a particular ingredient in formula. So try to change your formula brand. So for example, Nan Pro is known to cause constipation in babies. So changing the formula brand can be one of your solutions. Now all of this is for babies less than 6 months of age because at that time you don't introduce solids or water. Now after 6 months of age, when you introduce solids, usually babies get constipated then because their stomachs are very tiny, they're immature and they're not used to such solid foods. So that is the time. So what are the home remedies? So number one home remedy is that you increase your child's water intake. Now what happens is when you start solids, your baby is anyways having their milk, right? Whatever they used to have. And now you also introduce solids in between. So there's so much to eat and drink all day that you tend to skimp on water. So water is very important because water helps in the movement of the bowels in the large intestine, right? So it's very, very important that you increase the water intake and you monitor it. Next is if you are giving solids, what all foods or fruits or vegetables you can give to your baby to relieve them of constipation. So the number one rule to relieve constipation is to give high fiber foods to your baby. So why high fiber? Because when a particular food has high fiber, what it does is it tends to attract more water in the large intestine. And when more water comes there, it helps in movement of bowels very easily. So what are the fruits? So first I'm going to talk to you about the 5 major foods that you can use to solve your baby's constipation problem. So these are the 5 P's that you can remember like that. So number 1 is prunes. Prunes are available in dried forms in fruit vendors shops or you can also use our normal Indian aloo bukhara. Then we have pears, nashpati. Then we have papaya, which is papita. Then we have peaches, which is adu. And lastly is peas, which are matar, right? So these 5 foods are known to have very high fiber content, with prune and pear topping the list. So whenever your baby has constipation, it is very advisable to give these. You can either give them in pureed form or mash them. A lot of people recommend juices, but I personally do not recommend giving any kind of juices to your babies because they are actually full of sugar and natural sugar and lack on the fiber content. So try to give it in the pureed form. What are the other fruits and vegetables? You can give apples, again steamed and pureed or mashed, broccoli, spinach and sweet potatoes. So all of these are great for your constipation. Now another food very rich in fiber is oatmeal. So if your baby is constipated, give your baby oatmeal, right? Oats porridge. So after you've done all of this, another thing you can do is take like a mug of warm water, dip a towel in it and give like your baby a warm water compress with the towel in the bottom part of the tummy, so that heat tends to relieve the constipated bowels. Now next is your baby massage. So you must do baby abdominal massage to relieve them of this discomfort. Now I'm going to show you what are the techniques that you can use to relieve your baby of gas or colic or even constipation. Right, so I'm going to use Noor's friend Fanny, which you've met before, and show you what kind of massage you can do and exercises you can do to release your baby of this discomfort. So this is Fanny. Hi everyone. So I'm going to show you. So let's consider this F as the baby's belly button, right? So I hope you all can see. So if this is your baby and you're massaging them, number one, you should use warm oil. I use coconut oil in summers and olive oil in winters. Now, the first exercise is that, the first massaging technique is that from your belly button to the bottom of the tummy, you're going to massage downwards. Can you see? 1, 2. Sorry, this is a doll, so it's difficult because the area is less. So you basically do downward techniques like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? The next technique is that you massage sideways. So if this is the belly button, keep your thumbs here and massage like this. Right? So what you're doing in all of these techniques that I'm showing you is you are releasing any air bubbles that are created here, or you are loosening tight stool that is kind of stuck inside the bowels, right? So the first was a downward motion from the belly button onwards. Second was a sideways motion like this. Third is you do a clockwise direction massage, right? So you massage, take your right hand and all over the baby's tummy, you do massage in the clockwise direction. Remember, clockwise is key here. Next is you make like a rainbow, right? From left to right, surrounding the baby's belly button. So you go left to right, left to right. So why left to right? Because the rectum is on that side and this will release that. And lastly, you take your fingers, tips of your fingers, and try and just press different parts of the tummy. So all of this is great to release constipation and even gas and colic. All these 5 techniques that I showed you. Apart from these, you can also do exercises for your baby. So you take your baby's legs and do like a bicycle motion. You press them to the stomach and release. Press, release. Press, release. And next you do leg raises. So you hold both the legs and then you raise them. Right? Like this. So all of these moves that I just showed you, you've got to do them around 8 to 10 times. Right? And you can do this massage and exercise twice a day. So all this will really help you and your baby release constipation. But if nothing of this works, please visit your pediatrician, because it's always advisable to release your baby of any discomfort rather than just going on trying home remedies. One more thing that I want to talk about is when you know that your baby is suffering from constipation, it's confirmed now, what are the foods, if your baby is 6 months plus, not to give. So do not give potatoes, don't give carrots, then don't give rice. So rice, potato, carrots. Don't give bread if you're giving your baby bread. And you can also avoid bananas. So these 5 foods you can avoid in case your baby is suffering from constipation. So this is all about constipation. One more time I'll reiterate, if your baby is less than 6 months and you've tried either breastfeeding or changing the formula and it's not working, please go to your pediatrician. Stop asking me home remedies for such small babies. It's okay to give them medicines, right? Please don't put them or torture them and put them through all that discomfort just to not give medicines. Okay? So we all want to avoid medicines, but we also want our babies to feel fine at the end of the day. So I hope this video was helpful. Keep writing on topics that you want me to make videos on. Please share and keep on loving me as you all do. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.